KINSCOTER Flame Aroma Diffuser Air Humidifier. Elevate your ambience with elegance. In the realm of home essentials, the KINSCOTER Flame Aroma Diffuser Air Humidifier stands out as a multifaceted gem, seamlessly blending functionality and aesthetics. This innovative device offers an array of features that make it a must-have for those seeking a harmonious balance between practicality and style. Ultrasonic Cool Mist Maker Fogger, enhancing atmosphere with moisture. At its core, the KINSCOTER device employs ultrasonic technology to create a cool mist, serving as a highly effective humidifier. This ultrasonic cool mist maker fogger delicately releases moisture into the air, transforming any space into a haven of comfort. Particularly beneficial in dry climates or during winter months, it helps combat issues like dry skin and respiratory discomfort. LED Essential Oil Flame Lamp Diffuser, a symphony of light and fragrance. One of the standout features is the LED Essential Oil Flame Lamp Diffuser. This element not only elevates the visual appeal of the device, but also serves as a canvas for aromatherapy. The LED flame lamp mimics the gentle dance of a real flame, creating a mesmerizing effect that adds a touch of warmth and sophistication to any room. Diffuser Fire, unleashing the power of aromatherapy. The KINSCOTER Flame Aroma Diffuser goes beyond mere functionality. It transforms your space into a sanctuary with the enchanting fragrance of essential oils. The diffuser fire element releases these scents, providing therapeutic benefits for relaxation, stress relief, and improved focus. This seamless integration of aromatherapy and humidification makes it a versatile companion for enhancing your well-being. About this product, size, capacity, and more. With dimensions of 6.6 by 7.7 by 24.9 centimeters, 2.6 by 3 by 9.8 inch, the KINSCOTER device is compact yet powerful. Its 200 milliliters capacity ensures a sufficient supply of moisture, and with a use time of 3 to 6 hours, it seamlessly fits into your daily routine. The power supply through a 5V2A USB connection, adapter included, ensures convenience and accessibility. Crafted from BPA-free plastic, environmental PCB, and high-quality electronic components, this device prioritizes safety and durability. It boasts certifications from CE, RoHS, and FCC, providing peace of mind regarding its quality and adherence to industry standards. The noise level is kept at a subtle 38 dB, ensuring a peaceful environment while still presenting a perfect flame effect. A symphony of flame and blue night light. The KINSCOTER Flame Aroma Diffuser Air Humidifier doesn't just enhance your surroundings during the day. As the sun sets, the night light feature comes alive, presenting a dual-tone experience. The flame color paired with a calming blue light creates a tranquil ambience, turning your space into a haven of relaxation. In conclusion, the KINSCOTER Flame Aroma Diffuser Air Humidifier transcends its utilitarian purpose. It's not just a humidifier, it's a statement piece that harmonizes practicality, elegance, and the therapeutic benefits of aromatherapy. Elevate your ambience with the perfect blend of moisture, fragrance, and visual appeal with KINSCOTER.